Okay, I got a '07 Audi A4 Quattro. The hood latch came undone. I already fixed it, but you'll find that no work right there. Nothing's attached. So what you gotta do is, as you can see, I already got the hood popped and I fixed it. But normally what happens is this little black clip right here where the flashlight's on it, comes undone. It's the hood latch cable. Alright, well, you gotta go down below, take the skid plate off, and I'll show you. Bear with me here. Pull on your skid plate. As you can see, I got mine down. And if you look right up there, you can kind of see the latch right there in the focus. Now, if you try to pry it the normal way, which is to the left this way, nothing happens. But you think that's the way it goes, by the way the cable is. You gotta push it the opposite way, to the right. So, let me get my pry bar. Alright, get in here. Get in here just like this. Let me get it focused back. Just like this on the clip. See how it is? Right there? And then you push it to the right, which might be a little hard. To the right. Look at that. Like that. And then that pops the hood, and that's about all I can say, and that's what I figured out. Just don't try to go the opposite way like I told you. You'll never get it, and you'll get pissed off like I did.